Kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, yeah. Body energy, mama don't need bad energy.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Happy New Year. I hope you guys are all doing good. The start of this new year. I have a new video for you guys, and this wig does come from Unice, and they are available on Amazon Prime. I will leave all the information, details, and links in the info section below. So here is the wig that I picked up for the start of this new year. Of course, I love like this reddish brown color, and so therefore I decided to go ahead and pick this one up. This is Unice's new pre-everything Bye Bye Knots Wear and Go lace front wig. Again, this is what it looks like. I picked it up in this reddish brown color. My wig is 24 inches long, 150% density, and it has that 7 by 5 inch pre-cut lace. Now, there's absolutely no work that needs to be done. Hence the name pre-everything lace front wig. I mean, the lace is pre-cut, the hairline is pre-plucked, the knots are pre-bleached. Like literally no work needs to be done. I think even this wig is already pre-washed. So all you really have to do is throw it on. That's why I decided that I wasn't going to try it on as I usually do. I'm just going in, laying just the front perimeter of the wig per usual, and I'm going to go ahead and get this wig on. So when I laid like the front perimeter of the wig, I just used a little bit of water, a little bit of gel, and I just let it sit for full days. Not that it has to, I just kind of got sidetracked with life. But this is a couple days later. The wig is completely dry. I'm now going in with a little bit of my foundation, and I'm just going to apply that all over the lace, just because their lace is like known for being too light on my skin tone. I'm now going to take just like a regular smegular old stocking cap and throw it on. Y'all can use the provided stocking caps that typically comes with the wig, and do like the ball cap method. Y'all, I'm not into that. Like, just give me a black stocking cap and I'm good. So I went ahead and put on the wig, and you guys see how it just came together. I'm now gonna just lay my baby hairs. I feel like colored wigs look really good with baby hairs, and not to mention I do have a rather large forehead, so it does take away some of the lengthy appearance, if you will, and it kind of gives the wig some personality. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down my baby hairs, and then I like to kind of go in with this black concealer stick. This is just like for gray hairs, but I use it to kind of build up a little bit of dimension around the roots and kind of give it like that grown out look, and then finish it off with a little bit of powder. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of my wrapping hair mousse, just to kind of get rid of like that canvas block shape, if you will. And pretty much I'm just going to play around with the wig, make it work for myself, and we'll see what it looks like once I'm done.
Would you let me get in anytime that I want? Oh, late night up till the morning. Oh, I made me forget all the...
Okay, you guys, so this is what this wig is looking like, y'all. I am in love with the color. Like, I love the fact that I'm starting to explore just a little bit with color, because before I was just, super safe and I stuck with my black colors, but I kind of started to venture out a little bit, and this isn't really a bold look, but it's bold for myself and I like it. I kind of like the fact that I took that risk. Now I did cut a few of the strands of the curls in the front of the wig just to kind of give it some personality and kind of help frame my face shape, and I think that it really does complement this look, and it's so soft. I didn't wash this wig or anything. Like, these curls are popping.
Change my mind. Maybe you just must
So I wouldn't be me if I didn't give you guys a quick little styling option. So I'm just sectioning off the very front of this wig, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I am taking this curl defining gel, and if you guys are interested in anything that I'm using throughout this video, I'll have everything listed in the info section below, so be sure to check that out. But I'm taking this curl defining gel and I'm just applying it to that front section that I went ahead and I pulled out, and now I'm going in with a hard bristle brush and I'm just brushing all of that back and kind of tucking it behind my ear. You can also pin it, but I found that with the gel it has such a strong hold, it was just good to kind of just tuck it behind my ear. I didn't have to like secure it or anything like that. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my baby hairs. And this is pretty much what this look is looking like. I just kind of wanted to give it something that was a little more, you know, trendy and something that you can wear to run errands, to go to school, you know, so on and so forth. Gonna go ahead and clean it up with a little bit of powder to make that part pop. And yeah, this is pretty much what it's looking like. And you guys, do you guys notice those waves? Like, this is literally looking like I could have grown it myself. Like, this wig is like so realistic looking, and I don't know, I like this wig a whole lot. But once again, you can pick up this wig on Amazon. It comes from Unice. I will have all the links and details listed in the info section below. They also have a 5% off coupon that you can apply to your order when you add the wig to your cart, so be sure to take advantage of that to save some cash. Once again, you guys, let me know what you guys think about this wig and whether you like the color on me or not. And I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.
Would you let me get in anytime that I want?